talking about this one, last time I remember you were here with Professor Richard, a very sweet person. You know, we danced a lot. Okay.
He made us we also made him dance. Huh? Good knowledge, mitha. Oh my God, we can't. Okay, cut.
Give me 3 USPs of PFH University. Top 3.
No, I can't. You have to ask me 30. Come on. I mean, with PFH, you're asking me 3 USPs.
Okay, so in 30 seconds, PFH.
No, that's a trick. You don't think. Okay.
We will do it again.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. So please welcome Dr. Latika Chaudhary.
Thank you so much, Bharti, for inviting me to your podcast for the second time. And, you know, it's always a pleasure interacting with you. And education sector is so close to my heart that I can keep talking about it non-stop. And it just brings that passion in me. I mean, thank you for inviting me.
So, yeah, अभी मैंने just a bit of introduction आपका दिया है because as I said, अगर मैं देने बैठूं तो मैं भूल जाऊंगी. Okay, but it's been like more than 2 decades. You are in an educational industry and you work closely, like headed the top universities in India. But how it feels like to now head a German university and represent a German university in India?
So I'll be very honest, and with all my love for the Indian education sector is very nice. You know, I mean, obviously we have very intelligent students here, and there's so much of brain drain that Indians are very intelligent. But the beautiful part about Germany or German education is that it inspires you a lot. It brings out the sense of self-doing and motivates students to do it on their own. Especially, and especially, you know, if you talk of PFH, it's an applied science university. So the fact that it's practical knowledge, students do a lot of internships, trainings, projects, and that is what makes it very different. In Indian education system, we know it's more of rattafication, mugging up and just, you know, pouring it out in the exam. But in Germany, it's not like that. You're supposed to be taking self-study, take self-motivation and do things for your own self.
Yeah.
Yes.
But now, ma'am, when this opportunity came, like that you have to represent a German university. So, क्या thoughts there and how was the feeling?
It was obviously good for 2 pass, the euro salary. But yeah, I mean, apart from that, the fact that I have worked in the Middle East also, if you know, and I worked a lot with Indian institutes also. So I wanted to see that now a country which is almost 3rd strongest in terms of economy, how the education system works there and how it can help Indian students, because a lot of Indian students want to travel abroad for their education, and Germany is now the 2nd most sought after destination. US obviously topping, but Germany is very nice.
Okay. So you been to Germany?
Yes, I have been to
How
Germany.
is Germany?
Germany is amazing, and especially when I went to Göttingen, where our main campus is. To be honest, when I had spoken to a few students, it says it's a very small town and it's like a village. But it was not. It is a very beautiful, peaceful, student-centric city. 60 or 65% of population is only students. So then you know, it's like Pune of India. That it's full of life, it's bubbling, you get students, there are so many exchanges that you can have. Germany is famous for its Christmas fest or the Oktoberfest. All these things really add, you know, to the flavor of Germany.
Okay, so now you met students very closely. You get to know their thoughts. As you said, as we all know, in today's generation, students are very, you know, they have knowledge. They know what they want to do. Okay, it was not like that before.
Ask me. I mean, when I went to Delhi University, there was nobody to even guide that whether you should go for an English honors or a psychology honors, or, you know, how 2 courses were
And I guess उस time पे था भी इतना ही ना कि
I am very
BCom
correct, and I am very happy that with a decent percentage I got in Delhi University. आज तो मुझे बाहर खड़ा करते. But especially when it comes to the technical campus, students today are so smart. They know that what is the difference in an industrial engineering to a micromobility to digitalization, and they know what career path they want. They're very intelligent.
Now, talking about the courses you've said, I have done a research. The courses at PFH are quite very interesting. So,
Yes.
like, can you just brief about these courses? Like, they're very different from the other courses
Correct.
available in Germany.
Yeah. So I think that is the biggest USP, and especially now when I talk to a lot of students and a lot of universities, or I'm in touch with career counselors, everybody tells me that they are interested in PFH because of the uniqueness of the programs. So now we all know that in the automobile sector, micromobility is a very important field. So PFH offers a specialization in new mobility or micromobility, which is as per today's requirement. I'm also, through your podcast, I'm very happy to announce that PFH is launching its computer science program. It's a master's in computer science. And again, with PFH's unique USPs, what we call, it is also a job guarantee program, which I will tell you in a bit.
Okay. Talking about this course, I also got to know, and it's a like management plus tech, like computer science kind of program, right?
It is, see, managerial skills you need everywhere, but it is a core computer science with students from BTech computer science looking for it, and only a 1 year experience as a mandatory requirement. But it gives students the opportunity to study the most sought after program, German degree, Indian price.
Talking about this, give me 3 USCs of PFH University.
Top 3. No, I can't. You have to ask me 30. Come on. I mean, with PFH, you're asking me 3.
Okay, please. Okay, so in 30 seconds, PFH.
No, that's a text, Papi. No thing. Okay.
We will do it.
So, yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
I think the first and the biggest USP, which no other German university is offering, is a job guarantee or a job assurance. What it means for Indian students is that if you don't get a job within 9 months of your completion of the program, 20% of your fees is refundable. And there are only 3 basic criteria: you passing all the papers, knowing the language, and we also teach language, and not having any backlog. So it's as simple as that. If you give your 100%, PFH will give you 200% in return.
Like, I guess this is the biggest USP.
Correct.
Say the job guarantee.
Yes.
This is the major part.
And it's the only university in Germany which is doing it. And the students sign a contract for that. The second is that you get an international degree at an Indian price. Our prices are very competitive, and programs like MBA or computer science or digitalization have cost lesser than India, and you get a German degree. Number 3, the student-teacher ratio. So we don't want to make it another Indian university in Germany. So the number of students maximum is 1:15, student-teacher ratio 1:20, or for an MD or general management, it could be 1:25. Then there are 2 sections. That is one of another biggest USPs. All the faculties have their own business setups or their own industrial connections, so they really help the students with the jobs. Recommendations, yeah, very, very, very important.
Yeah.
All the programs are English taught.
And the last one is.
अच्छा, तो भी और भी हैं फिर. And you get a lot of one-to-one interaction. So as I told you, there are not too many. We don't want too many students. So you get more attention from the faculty, even if it comes to your understanding concepts. And obviously, to end it, all the programs are English taught.
So that is a very, I guess, easiest thing for a student who is coming from India.
Yes.
With the English taught program and although such type of courses in Germany.
Correct.
Okay. Now talking about this one, last thing I remember you were here with Professor Richard, a very sweet person. And we danced a lot. Okay.
He also made him dance. Good knowledge, mitha, happy cut. Okay, cut.
Now I have also met you very professors of German, PFH University,
Yeah.
and representatives of PFH University,
Correct.
Lena, Lisa, Jenny, and all. I have also heard it from students that the professors at PFH are very approachable.
So Bharti, I mean, I'm so glad that we both got this chance just yesterday to meet one of our students who's in India.
Lovely student.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah. I mean, if we can name her, Pooja, but
Pooja
yeah,
Varmagar?
correct.
Yeah.
And I think, see, if I had told you about it, you may have thought that I'm promoting. But when you heard it for herself,
Yeah.
each and every professor is helping her with jobs, with internships, with projects, with fundings, and they are so approachable. And you talk, Pooja, okay, still has been in the university for 1.5 years. The current
to extend her course.
correct, and the students who've gone now. When I talk to them, I just generally catch up with them. They're so happy with the professors, with the way the professors guide them, and the way the doors are open. That is very important because Germans are thought to be a little crude, but that's what the world feels.
I don't feel like
No, they're not.
being the heroes. So seriously, I can't say that Germans are rude. No,
Correct.
they're very humble.
They're very humble, sweet, ready to help.
I remember Andre. I met her and met them. Sorry, and he helped me getting out of the car. And then with every student, he was asking, "What's your name? Can you spell? What does that mean?" Then he answers the meaning of the name, and it tells you it means this. Like,
No, I mean people are very amazing. I'm working with some of the most beautiful people. They are very pure and very helpful in nature. Yeah.
okay. Now, as we were talking, we have covered the USPs. Now, please tell me a bit more about the courses.
Okay, so we are running now 8 programs, 8 English taught programs. There are several others which are German taught, but for the Indian market, we're looking at 8 programs, each one being unique in its own way. So we have technical programs like new mobility and micro mobility, digitalization and automation. Then we have industrial engineering and the most amazing program, lightweight engineering and composites. So currently the PFH campus is just adjacent to Airbus. And this program has been designed in coordination with Airbus. So it means that the students get the opportunity to intern, projects, work, and even get placements. We have our students who are working as managers in Airbus. And it makes us feel very proud that we're providing the kind of education which the industry needs. So it's a very industry-oriented university. Yes. Yeah. And then in the main management campus, we have 8 English taught programs, which I was just telling to you. 4 of them are in the Study campus and 4 in the Bittingen campus. So in Study campus, we have one, which is new mobility and micro mobility, industrial engineering. Then we have digitization and automations and lightweight engineering and composites. And in lightweight engineering and composites, PFH campus, it is adjacent to the Airbus unit. So it gives our students the opportunity, and this course has been made in collaboration with Airbus. So it gives the opportunity to our students to do jobs, internships, and projects. And one of our students, Anas, is already working as a manager in Airbus. And then if we talk of the management campus, then we have MBA, general management, computer applications, and user experience and management. These are the programs. And these are some of the most sought after programs in general.
No, whenever I look at the, course list of the university, it surprises me, like the courses which are even not heard by the students, they do a blend of such 2 or 3 streams, to make students very ready to industry.
Yes, because all the programs are industry oriented. Yeah. They have been made in collaboration with what is the requirement of the industry. And see, anyway, we all know Germany has been very lenient when it comes to, not lenient, has been very kind when it comes to the working hours or the part-time hours. So students can do up to 100 hours of part-time jobs a month. We don't encourage our technical students to do because the course is very extensive. We want them to study, focus on their education so that you land up in a good job. But for management students, we definitely tell them because it builds up their communication skills, their German language skills, their confidence, and even connects.
Now, talking about you visited Germany and of course PFH, how are the campuses? How's the life?
Very nice. Very.
I was like, why?
No. It is very nice. Bhati, you're expected that you've left your country to make your parents and yourself proud of what you're doing. Nobody is after your life. You're given a lot of self-study. You are given a lot of access to research work, to interact with your faculty, free time to analyze what you're studying. So that is one of the biggest difference. Classrooms में ऐसे typical वो नहीं है. Anywhere it's a classroom. Can you believe on just in the next week we have a lecture in the Christmas market where all the faculty and students are going to interact in the Christmas market because it also gives them an opportunity to learn outside those closed doors.
It's a very practical approach, I think.
Yes, right. Practical, different, fun, yet innovative.
Yeah, innovative.
Yes.
And of course, student oriented.
Yes.
Okay, so now definitely you have lots of experience and lots of knowledge. Like, what
You're making me feel like I'm maybe 60 plus and I should get a.
No, yes, too young.
Yeah.
Okay, but still, you have lots of education and knowledge. And what advice do you usually give to students?
I always tell them, trust yourself because, like, none of them is equal. No two students are equal.
True.
And you may land up at the best job at the most simplest of organized university. You may not land up at a job. It is your effort. Where life takes you is your effort. Even at PFH, when we tell you that we guarantee you a job, we can get you the first job. We can help you with the second, maybe even a third. But how many years do you sustain yourself in that job is totally on you. And please, it's a humble request. If you want to settle and make a good career for yourself, learn German language. Do come prepared with basic A1 and A2, and then definitely we are teaching you higher. There are enough institutes which are teaching higher. But like they say in Rome, do like the Romans do. In Germany, when you come, please come with language readiness.
So I guess that was very crisp information that you are given, which is required for the students. And it's always a pleasure to have you here.
Same here.
So definitely we'll plan for another episode with you.
Yes, and probably next one in Germany, in the campus.
Definitely.
Yeah, you can fly there. Okay, and we can take a cameraman too.
खुश हो गया. Okay then. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Bharti.
I guess
Yeah.
हमारा खाना
नहीं आ
क्यों
खाना वो आ गया. And now let's add some food.
क्या है?
Tikki slice church. Yummy.
यार हमारी मैम कितनी अच्छी है. मतलब हम सुबह से भूखे लगे हुए हैं पॉडकास्ट कर दे, खाने पीने का होश नहीं है. एंड शी केम एंड शी ऑर्डर ये हरी चटनी, पीली चटनी, लाल चटनी.
Life is about food. Good food.
And she is a foodie.